A few hours after the news of the very unfortunate death of the 23-year-old broke out, this is the scene at Jantar Mantar. You can see that this place is very sporadically populated, very few people. If I could ask my camera person to show you, there are a few people sitting here. You can call it a protest from there, and they have, placards with slogans on them saying, "We want justice and break the silence," and several other. But let me also tell you that this is the Jantar Mantar area in central Delhi where it is next to impossible to reach because there has been thick double layer barricading by Delhi, not only in the India Gate area but also central Delhi. You can see the deployed number of police here, the police force that is here. They are all armed, ready for any action if the need be. You can see them ready with their lathis. You can see they're ready with water cannons also for anything that they require. We saw what happened on the last weekend when the city was all out and set to protest. This is Jantar Mantar just a few hours after that news broke out. People who are trying also to come. In fact, even the media people who are trying to reach the spot cannot and have to maneuver their way through the central Delhi area because mostly all the roads to central Delhi area are blocked, and police has issued an advisory to all those travelers, commuters going through this way to avoid this whole area. And there have been several barricades at every checkpoint, be it Sheila Dikshit's house, there is heavy force deployment, be it Akbar Road, Ashoka Road, it's completely chock-a-block. There have been traffic diversion, that is another thing. But another thing is, will this protest die with this girl's death? Because most of the people who are trying to, we've been getting messages from all the student groups organization that they will hold a candlelight march, but the question is, with all this thick barricading, you can see there are very few people here. Will people be able to reach her? Will they be able to put their message across? We have reactions coming in from the government and otherwise, but will the common man be able to give its reactions? And the anger we saw on last weekend, we saw as a preemptive measure, Delhi police has taken all roads are barricaded. We do know silent protest was something the Delhi police said they're okay with, but seems like even silent protest is completely chock-a-block. That area coming towards Jantar Mantar is barricaded. You can see from here heavy deployment of forces. This area, which is the entry point of Jantar Mantar, we can only see a handful of protesters and a handful of media people. That is all. Completely no way to come to this area. What next? Will this protest die? With camera person Shakil, this is Nisha Grover from Jantar Mantar for News X.